Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain the best way to invest in the share market. First, it is crucial to understand your personal financial goals and how much risk you are comfortable taking. A well-diversified portfolio, spread across different asset classes and industries, can help mitigate risk. Starting your investment journey early allows you to harness the significant power of compounding returns over many years, potentially growing your wealth substantially. One effective strategy is dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, reducing the impact of market volatility. For broad market exposure and lower fees, consider investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds. These typically track a market index, offering diversification. Remember to rebalance your portfolio every 6 to 12 months to ensure it aligns with your initial asset allocation strategy. Thorough research is paramount. Examine a company's financial health, management team, and competitive landscape before investing. Staying informed about broader economic trends and market conditions will also help you make better decisions. Crucially, avoid making emotional investment choices. Instead, adhere strictly to your predefined, long-term investment plan, even during market fluctuations. Adopting a long-term perspective is key to successful share market investing. Focus on growth over many years, rather than reacting to daily or weekly market movements. While maintaining a long-term view, it is wise to regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as your life circumstances or goals change. For tailored advice, consider consulting a qualified financial advisor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.